So I decided to purchase this. This little ring light. So let me just pull it out of the box so you guys can see what's in it. I open the package and it comes in this little green bag. Don't mind my nails because I know I need to fill in. So then I just unzipped it. And this what comes in it, the instructions. Excuse me. The instructions come in here. The little phone holder. The little ring light. Another little piece for the phone. And the tripod thing. The little stand in the foot pedal part. So yeah, about this little tabletop ring light. That's what I just bought from Amazon. You know, Cyber Monday make people go crazy. But let's put this thing together. I keep looking down because I'm doing this on the iPad and my camera hole all the way up there. So, I don't know. I'm just not looking up at y'all. Let's put this thing together. You come in this cool little green bag too. Let's see what the papers say. It don't say anything, it just got numbers on it. Okay, well, these are instructions. Well, don't look at my nails though. And then y'all see part of my ring light in the video. I need to, honestly, if I wasn't charging my iPad right now, you wouldn't even see that, so never mind that part of the video. Okay? So I hit you. But yeah. So I guess let me follow these instructions. Yes, I do have blue stuff on my nails. I've been dyeing hair all week. I know I need to go get my nails done. I've been busy. I will go tomorrow. But these are the instructions. So it says take this piece right here. It comes folded up. Oh. Comes folded up like this. So you just unfold it. So it can look like that. Next, you get your pose. Open this up. Okay. And then it got a little screw on the end. Your little pole. And this has that little hole right there. And you put this in the hole. Okay. Okay. Wait, do I take this off? Oh yeah, you screw this little black thing off. I thought it was something else in the box. B-Land, y'all. I was gonna get the one made by Newer, like my ring light, but it didn't. The pole part didn't adjust. It was just one length, and it didn't go up and down or nothing. So I said, let me see. I'm about to do it wrong already. It comes with foot pads on there, right? You know the foot pads are at the bottom, Blue. What's going on, Blue? Make sure your foot pads are at the bottom. Ooh, I thought I was almost dead. But see the one by Newer, it don't go up and down like that. Come on, Newer, y'all need to fix that. Then once you screw it on, it looks like this. So stand it up over here. And then you take the ring light, they got a whole little hole in it. And screw it in here. And just keep screwing it. Put the little cord kicking and stuff. Just keep screwing it, screwing it, screwing it. See, I mean, I just bought this newer 18-inch ring light. I need that for my clients. I do hair. Go see me at weave_ink on Instagram. Get your sew-ins if you're in Atlanta. But anyway, I bought that for my clients, but I be needing something little for me. And this it, y'all. And this little thing right here, you can adjust it. It can go up and down. Then you just clamp this right here so it can stay and it won't move. Open it back up and it goes back down. That's it. Let's plug it up. This is my vanity. I painted it myself. I got the mirror from the thrift store. I spray painted it silver. And it was about $6. I got the table for $5. So a vanity, $11. Anywho. And you can adjust the legs to whatever you want them to look like. So for it to fit on mine, I just put it in a little triangle so it doesn't fall. I don't know, just put my lashes and stuff back. And let's cut it on. So now let me do a video with that ring light and let me turn this one off. So here I am at my vanity with this ring light and it, oh my goodness, it is amazing. It comes with it won't give me the shot, but it has this little switch, on and off switch. Let me unplug it. It got this little on and off switch right here. My vanity also has a little USB thing where I can stick things in there and plug it up. I don't hate this wig, but I think it's a little bit too short for my fat head. That's why I keep playing with it. But yep, it comes with this little thing. So let me plug it back up. Here it goes. And let's see. It has some presets on there. Okay. You just click the little button and it get brighter. It turns to, oh, it got the little filters in it. It got LED lights in it. I love this. And it gets brighter. It gets lower. You just push the little button and it gets brighter again. That is amazing. Amazing. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see the little thing when it turns colors. Hold on, I got a lot going on right here. They have a whole bunch of them on Amazon. I chose this one because the little tripod thing that connects to the ring light goes up and down. And I would have got a newer, but theirs didn't adjust. So thank you for watching my video. I hope it wasn't too long. At first I thought I had some technical difficulties. I thought I did something wrong, but at the end it turned out great. Thank you for watching Blu Berry Bish. And until next time, y'all.